Okay, so today you are going to be working on your Cubist vector art project. So last Friday, you guys made a sketch for what you think you might want to do. Just like here's my sketch of the character Stitch. And what you're going to do is you're going to use shapes in Vector, and you're going to make your art project, okay? So as you can see here, I've already gotten a good start on my vector Stitch. But here I've only used shapes, and that's what this is about. It's about using the shapes and adjusting them, moving them around and finding how you want your shapes to be, okay? So it's going to take some time, but you have, what, 3 class periods at least to work on this. So you got plenty of time, and I do want you to take your time and adjust the shapes how you like it, okay? So, I'm just taking the circle, adjusting that, I'll copy it, I'll paste it for the other eye, rotate it, make it a little bigger, and that's about how I want. So I'll make another circle for the nose, and change the color to the nose color. I'll come in here, and I'll add triangle. And I'll just keep adjusting, okay? Just keep adjusting until I find the shapes that I want. And, even if I get it kind of the way I want, I can always come back in and adjust later, right? Okay. So this is all about taking the shapes and adjusting them. You're basically drawing with shapes, okay? All right, so I want you guys to go ahead and use Vector, like I said, to draw with shapes. And if you have any questions about how to use Vector, then you can go ahead and ask me. Now, since this is going to take a few class periods, I want you to make sure that you are saving if you can. So you should try and log in, okay? Use your Gmail and log in to Vector so that it saves it automatically for you. And if you can't log in, then I don't want you to close the tab, okay? So make sure that you don't close the tab for Vector, or else you're going to lose your artwork. One thing that you can do is you can try and export it, right? So using the export, yeah, and then download that, right, as the SVG. Download that every single time, okay? And when you are finished with your art project, you are going to export and download every one of these. So you're going to do it 3 times: SVG, PNG, JPG. Okay, you're going to do it 3 times. All right, so I'm going to continue with this, and I will show you the finished project, rather, in the next video.